If you have a guest or a speaker that is joining you on your live stream and you would like them to also be able to have the live stream running on their own personal channels as well, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to be able to go ahead and set this up. All you need is a little bit of information from your guest or your speaker. So let's go ahead and jump into my EVMux account so you can see exactly how you do this. So once you're inside of your EVMux account, you're going to be inside of your editor. And the very first thing you want to do is you want to come to the top right hand side where it says edit, where you normally edit your broadcast channels. You'll select that, and then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click add new destination. Now what you're going to select is you're going to select RTMP. Now, when you scroll down here, it's going to say cut display name. This is more your personal. This is where you can put in your guest name. So, you know, maybe you put the guest name plus the channel. So it's like YouTube, Facebook, or LinkedIn. You can put that there so that way you know what channel it's going to. But this is going to be the two pieces of information that you're going to need from your guest. You're going to need the server URL and you're going to need the stream key. Okay, so now for your guests to be able to get this, whether they're streaming on LinkedIn, whether they're streaming on YouTube, whether they're streaming on Facebook, once they create a live stream inside of that platform, the platform is going to give them the stream key and the stream URL for them to be able to share it with you. So really quick to go ahead and demonstrate that on YouTube. When you're on YouTube, what you want to come, your guest is going to want to come to their channel, their YouTube studio, and select create. They're going to select go live. And this is going to go ahead and pop up a window. It's going to say right now or a later date. You want to select start on right now. And then you want to go ahead and select streaming software, right? Which is what we're utilizing. EVMux is the streaming software that we're utilizing. So you'll select go. And this is going to bring you here into the studio. Now you're going to really quickly see here that it's going to go ahead and give you the stream key. You'll see here is that under stream settings, you'll see the stream key. This is the stream key that your guest is going to want to copy and send to you for you to be able to put here in the stream key. And then this is going to be the stream URL, which is the first one that they want to copy and send to you to be able to put into the server input. All right, so that's how you're going to add their YouTube. Then for their Facebook, I've put a link in the description. They can go to business.facebook.com/live/producer. And as long as your speaker is logged into their Facebook account, it's going to bring them to the screen that you see here. They're going to want to go ahead and select go live. They're going to select. And then what's going to do is that it's going to bring you here into the live editor producer inside of Facebook. So once that's available for you, at the top, you're going to see the option to be able to select your input. It's going to say select a video source, and you want to select streaming software. Once you do that, it's going to go ahead and give you here your stream key. You're going to have your guests copy that, and then you're going to go ahead and input that in the stream key input. And then here at the bottom under advanced setting, here's going to be the server URL that your guest or speaker will provide you to be able to put into EVMux under the server. Now, you don't have to select one or the other. You're more than welcome to be able to have your guest or your speaker be able to stream to both their Facebook, both their YouTube, and their LinkedIn at the same time. And it doesn't affect your channels that you selected. Both of you can have 6 channels. They can have 6 channels. It doesn't matter as long as it's all connected and set up the way that I just went ahead and explained. So once you have that information, what you want to do now is that once you hit go live, that's going to go ahead and trigger for the stream to go up on your social channels and on your speaker's social channel. And then they're able to see the comments on their end from their own social platforms, as well as from yours as well that you share with inside of the editor. So just like that, you can see just how easy EVMux makes it for you to be able to go ahead and collaborate with your speakers and your guests. Now, if you want to know how to be able to create branded scenes for yourself and for your speakers to have more of a professional output for your live stream, go ahead and check out this video right here where I show you how to do just that utilizing our Pro Scenes feature. I'll see you in the next video.